We are pleased to announce the latest feature of Research Logix to help with Cancer Center administration, application collection and review. This new feature has been requested by several clients, and we wanted to deliver a feature that would benefit the entire Research Logix administrative community. The application collection and review is a versatile function that will eliminate the need for managing Cancer Center membership applications and review in various information silos. Instead of using form to email or network-based methods to acquire and review applications in your research programs, Research Logix can now allow you to have centrally managed collection and review and reporting on researchers who are interested in joining your center. The following 4 brief tutorials have been created to get you and your administrative team started on these new features. First, we will introduce you to the new Form Creator, which will allow you to set up several aspects of the CCSG membership application, including basic information, customizing application questions, requesting document submissions, and setting up welcome and confirmation pages. Second, we will simulate the application process from the perspective of the applicant to show how things look from their point of view. After submission, we will do a brief overview of the initial application review process and in preparing for leadership review. Third, we will go over the evaluation process, setting up evaluation questions, reviewer invitations, and simulating the review by leadership. Finally, we'll conclude the series with setting the outcome of the review, sending outcome emails, and processing collected information into a Cancer Center member record. We look forward to seeing what you and your administrative teams can do to take advantage of this new feature. Now let's get started.